you guys doing?
Mom, don't videotape.
Oh.
God.
Are you still videoing?
Oh yeah.
Stop, Mom.
I'm gonna throw it on YouTube. I'm gonna throw it on Facebook.
Stop.
Are you?
Yeah.
Hello, world of Facebook.
You're scary.
I'm trying to help him with the.
Mom, you ain't throwing nothing on Facebook. Quit saying things.
I'm videotaping it right now. I'm gonna throw it on YouTube and throw it on your Facebook.
You're not doing anything. Stupid.
I'm gonna show them. I'm gonna start recording your room every day and showing everyone the condition of my son's room and a mother's angst because I have to live with this.
Why don't you go to Dad's room?
Let's go to your room.
He tries to hide it in here.
Dude, what are you doing in my drawer?
What
What you doing?
you doing already, so you guys can
Yeah,